Hello, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Your boy's back. We gotta be champion. We got diamond last time, and we got down to these fucking lobbies. So we gotta get champion. Let's get 4 mil scores. We got our boy. We're gonna do it and get the champion today. We're gonna get the chimpanzee. My friend Jonathan says after champion there's chimpanzee and then pro. What do you mean there's pro? The only champion. Those don't know. Those are small ones. But I don't care. DJ, get the fuck off my channel right now and get a middle finger to your face. That's what I give you. You watching this, DJ? Get a middle finger. DJ, that's 9 year olds born on May 1st. Like that doesn't exist. House address is it. And if you're not clicking Jackovac, you are okay. You are good. You can keep watching this video. But if you're a CJ and not clicking Jackovac, you're good. Let's just spread this to a more American-wide audience. Not a freaking Japan. Because like 80% of my audience is Japan. Japan. That's the problem. I don't speak Japanese. Get the fuck down. You hear what language I've been speaking? English. Motherfucker. Obviously. So if you're Japanese, just stop watching my videos. About that. Why are you using like my friend over here said you should make Roblox videos. Follow your dreams. Make whatever you want. That's what I did. Obviously. You don't need to listen to people just because they say something. So sorry I've been gone for a while. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find the phone. Second thing I'm gonna do, I got an Oculus. Are you serious? Why'd you just die right there? Got an Oculus for my birthday. I've been playing it for a while. But it started today, so I haven't played it today. So I don't know why I just keep messing with this strap. It 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 just like I just keep messing with it for some reason. My friend over here has a way too small of a freaking head. I swear I need to put it on extra XXL type mode. I swear when the friend uses it, it like it can't even stretch. All it does is stretches a little bit. So yeah, that's crazy. You know, that's a million points right there. I'm gonna destroy champion. No chimpanzee. Bro, I think chimpanzee is a rank. Act, bro. Have you heard of chimpanzee? The animal? I don't think so. It's like a really hard knee and really hurt elbow. That happened 2 days ago. The day before in the soldier. I just 1 million. I have to get 1 million more points. Get a better audience. No, shut up. My audience is perfect. I just stared at the screen and smiled. I mean, I don't have face cam on. I actually recorded. Oh my god. I thought I forgot to press record. Then I'd have to record that all reason. I'd still have 6 hours of data that got wasted. It's game over. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Game over. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bro has no. I thought he had a dog. He had a dog, but that's no. The dog disappeared. Who let the dogs out? Who? Who? Dude, I swear the dog disappeared. Times multipliers at home. Times multipliers at home. The last zero 1 second. Be like, I'm gonna do full building. We both have the exact same folder on their they are connecting Facebook. That's why I've been failing. I've been focusing on 2 phones. I do another one down though. Volume. So yeah. So sorry if you smell like heat. I almost have to find coins. 2 mil. Not enough. Lucky numbers. 4 million is rookie number. I had like 12 million when I was champion the first time. I don't know. It's uploaded on my YouTube channel. Also, we're probably mid-video, so it would be really nice for you to like and subscribe. It would help out the channel a lot, and I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Okay? Got you? Alright, subscribe! No, yeah. 100,000 by the end of the year. It will grow pretty fast on YouTube. Once you get high up there. YouTube skill. I'm gonna make my best videos. So guys, if you think I'm a terrible video maker, shut up. Give me some time. Some people probably the best video game they would have ever made. Guys, go flood the comments and say try the no coin challenge. Go flood them now. Make sure you have the green Sour Patch Kid. If you have the green Sour Patch Kid, um, if you have a green Sour Patch Kid profile, I will give you a heart on this video if you comment. I'm not lying. I will. That's just the randomest thing anyone could ever have. Anyone want to change it so they can get a heart? If you subscribe to my channel, I'll subscribe to your channel. Say you subscribe and comment. 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 What is it? I will have to comment on the subscribe to your channel if you have a channel. Make sure to your channel. I'll subscribe to it. If you are subscribed to me, that's obviously. So I'm not that big, so yeah, promise. Promise me you are subscribed. I will give you a sub. If too many people go on this comment video, that might be kinda hard. Cause normally yeah, that's gonna be hard because if a lot of people are subscribed, comment, they subscribe, then I have to subscribe to them. It might be a little hard. But I know I'm not that big of a YouTuber. It's where Subway Surfers is that big anymore. Everyone, if you have a channel, start posting Subway Surfers for a week. Next week on Sunday, tomorrow, start posting Subway Surfers content. For Subway Surfers videos, for Subway Surfers Surfer Shorts, for Subway Surfers broadcasts. Oh god. For Subway Surfers everything. You need to explode YouTube with Subway Surfers. You need the front page filled to the brim with Subway Surfers. You need it so full that even your fat mom can't taste it. Guys, if you want to make a short of Subway Surfers, find a video of guards working. That's good enough. It would be hilarious, I swear. Just me scrolling through YouTube shorts, seeing 3 videos in a row that have guards working. Bro's flexible. Then Bro's flexible on the top. That's cute. Guys, we're about to make it ER. Look at that, right there. The the chimpanzee guy, so we have to go get him. Dude, imagine if um, I'm I'm just looking at the screen. I'm looking at nothing else. Just the screen. I thought I still had super speed. I still got that flower. What my friend would say. My friend that's on CJ, I'm looking at you. This is your head. Your head is your brain. That one. Right there. The top run guy that you bought. Look how smooth your brain is. Perfect ball. That means you're very intelligent. I beat you in every intelligence test. I had 600 IQ and you only had 2. You thought you were better than me in reality. Yes, you do. In one no non-quintillion, in no trillion year, you will be smarter, better than me. You, you, you need better. I recommend you go to it. You need, you need, you need friends. I'm telling you. Psych. No, 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 no. It's done. It's business. Time to pack up. This is gonna finish it off. I'm packing up. Alright, in like about a minute, you can start leaving the video and go watch another one. Probably bored after 21 minutes of continuous Subway Surfers. That would be like 15 minutes. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video off. No more here. Once I get champion. You have to beat this dude real quick. Then I'll let you guys go. Guys, you can just leave at any point of the video. No, you don't have to watch the full 21 minutes. I'd love for you to actually watch 21 minutes, but probably have things to do, and you probably don't have more things more today. That's what I don't have more today. And we're done. Bye. We have to crash first. We're gonna crash it. Okay, we're gonna crash it here. Yep. Yep, we did it. Did it. We did it. Bye, guys.